Hello guys, this is another dead phone. This Redmi 14C. This phone died while charging. And now when I connect my power supply, the phone is taking 80 milliamps, around 80 milliamps, and this is a sign of partial short. And partial shot can be somehow challenging to troubleshoot without thermal camera, and with a good understanding of how Android circuits work, I could find my way out and get down to the root cause of the problem. While checking around the power IC, I can see that VPH line is short, and now to find what's really short, so I have to connect my power supply to the VPH line and supply some voltage and current. So when I connect my power supply, I supply one voltage with some current, and I can feel some heat. Some component is getting hot, but not that crazy hot, just getting warm, and that's making it hard, because with that amount of heat, it's not easy to pinpoint what is really getting hot. So I have to remove some components one by one, which is somehow challenging. This is an inductor, and inductor, when the inductor is getting hot, the problem is not the inductor. The inductor is just like a bridge that connects two parts. So is either the problem is from part A or from the part B. So once you remove the inductor, you'll be able to separate the part and check each part for possible problems. So now the part from the power IC is no more short after I remove the inductor, but the part from the charging IC is now short, so which I have to inject some voltage to see what is getting hot now. After I connect my power supply and supply some voltage again, I can feel some warm from the charging IC itself. It's not that crazy heat, just a little bit, just getting warm. And that's the only big component there. So removing it and check for and see if the short is gone is even more easier than to be removing all those small components. So now I've removed the charging IC, and I'll check if the short is gone. And yeah, there's no more shorts. That means the problem is the charging IC. Unfortunate enough for me, I have a donor board which I can remove the charging IC for replacement. So now I'll remove this charging IC from the donor board. Yeah. So now solve the charging IC and see if this solve my problem. Okay. So now replace the inductor. Okay. So now I'll cool down the board. Now I have to clean out the excess flux, then cool down the board, then test. Okay. The board is getting cooled down. but it's cooled down enough. So now we can test. Check around and see if there's no more shot. Now there's no more shots. Okay, now let's test the board and see if the phone is now working. And yeah, the phone is back. The phone is now working now. And now my customer will be happy to have his phone back. Yeah guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment and follow for more video like this. Thank you. See you on the next one.